What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Got Lisa here for this one.
Hello.
We are starting it off at Walmart. All right. Ooh, they did get E-Case here. Little tuned car. Shoot, did I miss the dump in? I should have come here. Alright, we're gonna have to check that dump in down at the end because it looks like they did get an E-Case drop here. I'm just missing the Civic and the, what's it called? Cyclone, the truck. So I don't really need anything else besides that out of E-Case. But I'll take another one of these so we can open it. Looks like they got some modern classics here. Only one of them I'm seeing. This is cool. Cadillac Escalade. What? How's it looking? Anything good?
I'm just checking out these cool ones.
Yeah, that's your style, huh? Actually,
Yeah.
Did you see this thing?
Beach. I saw that and I didn't look at it close.
What does it say on it? Maui and Sons.
This one's always chillin'. Maui and Sons also.
Oh, they're both Maui and Sons?
And then there's another one over here. Maui since 1980.
Cool. Mopar. I don't think I've seen this one yet. And yeah, it looks like they did get some modern classics here. This Transit Super Van's been here for a minute. And then, of course, these World Tour sets. I don't think they're ever going to get rid of those. They've been here forever and ever. All the Hunters have every one of them. So they're just sitting around. I have that.
You have it?
Yeah. You've seen that. You must have seen that because it's... Whoa, what is that?
Yeah, the police.
Ryan Subaru WRX STI. Oh, I see. It's
What? Oh,
it's the hatch one, though. Well, here's another one, too. I was trying to get to this Supra.
This doesn't even...
Yeah, it's a
From the
modern
front,
day.
it looks like
It's got a wide body kit on it.
Oh, that's why.
Where did I put my car? I had a car in my hand. Did I drop it? Did I hang it?
Oh, this is cool. Green.
The Brasilia. Oh, here it is. I got it. All right, let's check this dump in. It's going to be filled with E-Case. Oh, boy.
Oh my god, this is...
Okay, we got to go through this a little bit more.
Someone probably went through it, right?
D. Well, I mean, last time I was here, it wasn't this full, so.
Oh, this is cute. Do you have this?
I do, but if you want something, pick it out. Yeah, they got a bunch of E-Case here.
Oh, this one is cute.
Yeah, throw
Where'd
it
you put
aside.
yours?
Right here. So we're looking for a red Honda Civic. It's an RD06. I didn't grab it in the last video, so we'll grab it now. Yeah, and the
This one? Oh,
No, that's D. So it would be an E-Case. There's definitely more here than last time, so I don't know if it's on the top or the bottom or what. But there's definitely some E-Case mixed in here.
Why is this one? Oh, it was broken open. It's on sale.
77 cents.
Right, look at it. Oh, it's totally
That's probably from the Christmas dump in. Yeah, see, there's still E-Case here. What do you think is the...
Oh, look at this cool thing. Pink Women's Day.
Alright, I gotta put the phone down, guys. We're gonna dig through this, see if we find anything either of us like. I'm just looking for that Civic, really. Yeah,
It keeps looking like it. Oh, this one's cool. You have that one?
Yep. I have every one except for the red Civic. Alright, no Civic at Walmart. Let's try the Publix. Alright, that would be the Super right there.
What's the Super?
It would have been that car.
Split.
So they got a restock since last time I was here because that wasn't
This
here.
thing is ridiculous.
Isn't that cool? It's like a Pinewood Derby car. Ooh.
Look how cute this thing is. Oh my god, it's a big blob.
What is it?
It's a bunny.
It's a bunny?
It's like a chubby bunny.
This is what I found.
That
Lamborghini.
is so cute.
Which one is that? The Revuelto, and then I think that's the new 750S. Lisa's geeking out over the stuffed animals, and I'm geeking out over the supercars. Wow, look at that picture.
Oh, the price. Guess the price.
$15.99.
17.
Holy cow! It's because it's a grocery store.
Oh.
The impulse grocery store buys are always more. What's your favorite?
Ooh. The Lambo.
The Revuelto. It had its own page. Nothing like it. Nothing like the feeling you get looking at a beautiful car.
See the other white tail.
Alright, back to the Mission red Honda Civic from Diecast. No, it's not here.
The red Civic?
Red Civic.
Yeah,
No Civic. Last time I was
you
here,
gotta check behind.
yeah, last time I was here, I found the little cyber quad thing tucked right here.
You gotta check behind.
I missed it and then I found it. Lisa's the expert checker.
Oh, what's that back there? Oh no, that's some other material. Some other.
We tried. Alright, let's keep going.
Wally World!
Look, it's cheaper. It's 11 here. Yeah, it's $1 cheaper in this store. We're debating on whether or not Lisa should get another one of these. You may have seen a long time ago, I picked up one of them. For her, it was double the price. She wants one to open, because you know, it's like a Hot Wheel. You gotta open one. 11 bucks. I mean, this is the last chance to ever get it that cheap. Unless they come out with a new one. Look at all the people in the clearance aisle. Everybody's trying to get a deal.
I don't know what to do.
Well, carry it with you in case. Yo,
Shoutout.
it does not look like him at all.
Yeah, it
We just
does.
watched Sonic 3. No, it doesn't.
Oh yeah, this doesn't
This
really
looks like the
Sonic.
Temu version.
Temu or Temu?
Temu, whatever. Either way, it
I
still
honestly
sucks.
don't know the correct way.
Yeah, we
I
don't
don't
care.
shop there.
All right, what do we got? Oh, look, here's the VW.
Oh, look how cute.
That's the only one I was ever really interested in.
Yeah, I like that one.
And there's a couple Transformers cars. They must have got another
I like
case.
that color, the light blue.
Yeah, this is
Don't mind
it's a
that
Gulf
color.
livery. You want to do baby? I don't think I have baby blue paint. We're gonna go
Yeah,
look at the
baby
paint
blue.
for
I
her
actually-
custom. And
Yeah, I'd rather do.
is this E case too? No, it's still D here. Man,
This
this
is like the purple
Yeah, that's such a cool color. Iridescent was what I was trying to say, that I had
iridescent.
multiple people have to tell me how to say.
Yeah.
This had a Civic too. This had a red Civic too, or one of them did. Did we ever
What's
find
this
that?
cute thing? Aw,
Mad
the
Manga?
Cats.
It's got a cat on it.
There's 2 cats on
Oh, I didn't
it.
even notice
Do you
that.
have it?
I don't.
But there's cats.
But there's, I mean, whatever, if you want it.
Look how cute it is.
Yeah, take it, whatever, let's do it. Get the woman what she wants, right? Happy wife, happy life. Whoa! New Auto Worlds. Ford Mustang Mach 1, that one's super cool. And then another Mustang Mach 1 in ugliness. I hate that color. What's this thing? Lincoln Continental Lowrider. Oh my god. That's cool. It's not my style, but my friend TJ would love it. Ford Galaxy XL. And this was another Ford Galaxy in 2 different colors. That's a weird set right there. What do you think of this color?
Oh, terrible.
We have the same taste. It's color. Yeah, poop green.
Really a great color.
What do you think of this? You know anyone that would like that?
TJ?
Yep.
It's huge. It's so long.
It is really big. I don't know if I could say that in there. That's what she said.
Oh.
Well, you know, Mainline Mike is pretty much looking for mainlines. What do you think? Do you want it?
It has cats on it.
Done.
All
Alright,
the
I think we're done
numbers.
here already. Let's go check the paint. Look at the size of this peep.
This is huge. Oh my gosh.
Smile. Alright, let's see.
Any of these?
Yeah, pretty much. Any of these.
Look at this baby blue.
That's the color you want. Yeah, we could do that. Bonds to plastic, wood, metal, and more. That's the one. Man, there's some nice colors here. I've been just using Tamiya paint. This is actually cheaper than Tamiya paint. I haven't really played around with any of this stuff yet. Probably should. I mean, there's no reason.
Teal probably looks cool too.
Well, we're gonna be getting an airbrush soon, so I don't think there's any point in me getting a whole bunch of these.
Oh, that's a pretty big can, right?
Yeah, it's huge.
All right. I think that's.
Baby blue.
You have like a pearlescent and stuff.
I do. I have pearlescent clear
This is
coat,
the
yes.
other color I would like.
I have this color. I have this exact color.
Yeah, they don't have coral.
This is nice. So, baby blue Lamborghini Veneno coming in hot. I have good. Alright, guys. I have good pup. Man. I can't get it right. Alright, guys. I usually have pretty good luck at this Publix, so let's see if they have the Civic.
Let's go.
They're looking pretty full. There's a good chance. Here's another yes go. So there is a very good chance we find it here. Another one of the bolts. We got that. Should I do a custom on that car? Make it look a little cooler, or is it a waste? Ooh, we got another one of these. The Impalas. I bet you we're gonna find the Civic here. I can almost guarantee it.
Is there another spot?
There's 2 more spots usually. Got my Lucky Charm with me here. Alright, let's check the next spot. Oh yeah, I got a good feeling we're gonna find it. I got a good feeling here. I got a good feeling here. I hope so. This is definitely E-case. Yep, red Honda Civic. Come on. No.
I didn't check this room.
It's not finding the treasure hunt either.
What's the treasure?
It looks like a truck. It's a purple truck. Dang, that sucks. Alright, let's check the last spot.
Oh, I thought that was it. Right
I know,
there.
a red Proton. What the heck? That's old.
What the hell is this thing? Yeah.
The Mazda AutoZam. And this is where there's new and old over here, but man,
Info.
come on.
Oh, we got a few back here.
We got a few. What do we got? Come on, Lisa. I believe in you.
Hold on.
Remember that time we found 8 treasure hunts?
8?
Yeah, we went to like a whole bunch of Publix and they all had
Christmas
the
hot tub
Oh, that's right, the hot tub.
of coal.
Is it a hot tub of coal?
It looks like it.
Interesting. I don't think it's here. I'm surprised because this being here, I feel like this is pretty popular too, so got my hopes up.
What's up with the Christmas?
What's up with the red Proton Saga from last year? How is that still here? Alright, well we got one more Publix we can hit and then we're going out to dinner for my birthday. Alright, I don't think this place has Hot Wheels, but we're gonna try it.
We're gonna try.
Trader Joe's. If they do, that's just one extra stop for me now. Alright, well some of you probably knew that Trader Joe's wouldn't have Hot Wheels, but we discovered a new place to get some delicious food. It's not $8 for a pre-made wrap like Publix. Ironically enough, we're walking into a Publix now, but hopefully they got the Civic here. We'll see. Civic! So this store usually has 2 end caps, but I'm not seeing even 1 end cap. Alright, there's the Plaid. So this is... You didn't see that? All the other stores? I'm surprised. I have one. No, I don't have one for you. I have a different one, but if you want it, feel free. Hero Hot Merc. Mark just got that Super. Oh, it's probably so beautiful. Oh, it's one of the only Supers I actually want. Hey, here's another one of these guys. Take that. Man, where are the other end caps? How are you gonna get rid of 2 end caps? Oh, wait. Boom. It is there. Please. Come on. Civic. Civic. Wow, here it is. It's gonna be here. Yay! Civic. 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 Alright, well here's the Yesco. That's a good sign. Ugh, we all hate this. We always talk about... Yeah, it's just so gross. I was down there to catch that too. I don't know. I don't know. I feel like there might even be another.
I got it.
You caught it? You good? I'm not seeing the Civic, Lisa. I'm not seeing the Civic. That's sad. I might cry. Should I cry?
No.
No, I shouldn't cry. Yeah, I mean it might be somewhere else too. We gotta keep looking. Let's just double check for the treasure hunt.
It's for your birthday?
No.
St.
Oh, they
Patty's
look
Day.
delicious, but alright, well, I'm gonna put this back because I just don't need it. I just got one. So we got these. I'm zooted.
They're so good.
Mm.
You gotta beep.
Zing boom! Hot
Beep,
Wheels!
bop,
Boop
beep,
bop
bop,
booty bop!
bop.
Guys, you've probably seen this chicken sandwich a million times in my video. It's just like unbelievable.
She goes, there's a lot.
Yeah, the waitress said it looks like it's gonna fly away. She's not wrong. Alright guys, we're back home. Lisa's gonna show us what cars we got here.
Alright, here we go. Okay, we have the 58 Chevy Impala. Looks like Mike wanted another one.
Do you want to do your first official sun check? Wait, this might be your second official sun check.
Yeah,
I'm pretty sure when I got this recently, it was not sunny out.
Ooh.
Hold on, I'm having trouble
Sparkly.
focusing. I don't know why. There we go.
Sparkly.
Yeah, that's a nice color. We can open that now.
Up next, Neon Speeders, the Mad Manga. With the cats, hot pink and bright orange. So cute. Had to get it because of the cats, of course. Alright.
So a subscriber keeps asking me to get this, so I finally got it.
RDO6.
The RDO6, and it's all about bringing
Pretty
back
cool.
the racers.
Up next, Street Shrieker.
So I actually
That's
gave
a
this
tongue
away to a kid that was walking by the house, and it ended up being a disaster because he cried because he couldn't stay in the garage with all the toys. So
You told me about that.
I finally got a replacement because I want to do a custom on it. I don't know what color to paint it.
Yeah, it's cool. Cool. And then we have the one I picked out here, the Porsche 904 Carrera GTS. Love the color.
Yeah, it's like
a pale yellow.
pale yellow, yeah.
Really pretty, actually.
Yeah, it's nice. I don't know if I ever opened one of those. I don't think I did.
I love it. Alright. And what is it called too when it's got the lip? Get out of town! When it's got livery?
Yep.
Yeah, I like it. Alright. Next, the 2020 Koenigsegg Jesko. In a yellow. It's like a mustard yellow. You
always point out
car.
the mustard. No, Lisa thinks that the Koenigsegg's all look like
Koenigsegg.
Koenigsegg, whatever. That they look like boats because of this front.
They do. It looks
I mean,
like a boat.
Yeah.
It looks like a boat. Alright, next, I mean, I like boats, but for a car, not really. We got the Range Rover Velar.
Yep.
Velar.
I think so. Velar.
In gold. Is this a uncheckable?
I think it's uncheckable.
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
That's shiny.
Glittery, shiny gold.
Yep, I got two, so I can
Beautiful.
open one now.
And then we have the paints that I picked out. The aqua color. Very light blue. We'll see how light it is once it actually comes out of the can, because sometimes it will dry darker. But that's going to be for this baby.
Lamborghini Veneno. This was given to us by Ricardo for the His and Hers challenge. For my car, I did the Aventador, painted it green. So we've been trying to figure out what color to paint it, and it looks like she's chosen this. So we'll get started on that ASAP.
And that's it for all the cars. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.
Later.